Alright, so I just got the 2020 carrier starting up. As a Copeland scroll. And it's already starting to get very cold. Outdoor temperature, I think. These two are not running. This is the second time this is the second time I caught the 2020 carrier starting up. See 2025 time? January of 2020. So yeah. And yeah. It was a nice compressor sound. Hear that. Oh, and it has a broad ocean fan motor as well. So yeah, I got that 2009 carrier starting up over there, and this thing I caught starting up yesterday. So yeah, thank you for watching, and over and out.